Hello, Brian Comerford here again with our 5th video, Transition to College, Hopes and Fears. Your last major transition was from primary school to secondary school. Most leaving certs will be transitioning from school to college. Let's look at hopes about college, fears about college, the costs of college, and if you are ready. 80% dropout rates can happen in some third level courses. For students with 300 CIO points and under, a 32% dropout rate is expected because of wrong course choice, financial issues, but a significant number of students drop out because they are disorganized, not prepared, just don't settle in for whatever reason. So there are 7 main areas you need to be ready for. 1. Independent study. 2. Higher level study. 3. Making deadlines. 4. Making friends. 5. Fitting in. 6. Drinking and partying. 7. Cost of college. 1. Independent study. Education without rote learning and micromanaging teaching. There are not always notes to learn off. There are not always right answers. You must support all your answers with examples, quotes and references. Hint: attend all lectures, labs and tutorials. Ask for help if you're getting lost. Can you do this? 2. Higher level study. Courses are very demanding and you must work, possibly reading some of Shakespeare's plays and writing about them on your own, or translating, speaking and improving your foreign language skills, maybe reading literature in a foreign language, learning advanced calculations and generating solutions to mathematical and scientific problems, conducting scientific experiments, recording and analysing data. Hint: do personal reading and writing, explore your chosen subjects through the media and online. Can you do this? 3. Making deadlines. Assignments instead of homework that count for assessment. Hint: don't leave it to the last minute. Begin as soon as you get them. Don't let them accumulate. Keep working on them regularly. Can you do this? 4. Making friends. Your existing friends are unlikely to end up doing the same course, so you will have to make new ones. Even if some are there, you should be expanding your friendships. How good are you at that? Hint: get talking to someone at each class or lecture, join clubs and societies, consider everyone you meet as a potential friend. Can you do this? All first years are in the same boat because of the freedom, shared first experience. College is where you will meet some of your best friends for life. 5. Fitting in. You may be conscious of your accent, where you are from, your lack of knowledge, your lack of money, or your perceived oddness. You could be nervous you won't fit in. Hint: college students are very accepting of differences. Colleges are full of oddballs and eccentrics. Everybody is new. All find it hard to adjust. College is a place where you can find your tribe. 6. Drinking, drug use and partying. Colleges are notorious for these activities. Can you handle it and still study? Drinking and drug taking are cited as a significant reason for student dropout. Hint: never drink to the point of blacking out. Be aware of the dangers involved in heavy drinking and excessive partying. Never miss a lecture or class because of it. Can you do this? 7. Cost of college. College is expensive. Living away from home, fees, books, materials and transport costs. Hint: keep your money for essential things. Do not squander it. Avail of student offers. If you can't afford it, do without it. Let's look at the different costs for college when living at home will cost you approximately $6,500 a year. Living away from home will cost approximately $12,000 per year. Living away from home but in Dublin will cost approximately $15,500 per year. The main differences are in the rent, the travel, utilities, cost of living and socializing. If you qualify for a student grant or other financial supports, this will obviously be reduced. If you're feeling nervous and you're not sure you're ready, have a conversation with your guidance counsellor, a wise adult or a parent. Don't just carry on into college and make a mistake. There are other options. Take a year out, apprenticeships, travel, work, post-leaving cert courses. Most people say college years are the best of their lives. If you're ready, they can be the best years of your life too. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed.